Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert tick mark in Excel. Okay, so here I'm in my Excel and I'm to show you how you can insert the tick. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so I want to insert tick on this cell. So just I want to you need to just select the cell where you want to insert tick. Now go to the home, and here you can see the symbol option. Sorry, go to insert, and here you can see the symbol option. If you don't find symbol, just click anywhere and you can customize ribbons, and you can find symbols option here. Just click on it and add it and okay, then it will be added here. So now go to the symbols. In symbols, you will see recent. If you have recently used symbols like tigma, you can choose from here. If you don't find here, just select, scroll down here and go to last and select wingdings. After wingdings 2, you will find the wingdings. Click on it. Now you have to scroll down, and here you can see the tick mark option. Here you can see the tick mark option. So just select the tick anyway. So I select this one and just insert. So you can see I can insert tick mark here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.